We as a society are failing our young people in the way we try and box them. We have tried to make them into these assembly lines. You go into school, you come out of school, everybody has to look the same. We have to think the same. But when you really listen to young people and you understand their stories, you see the depth, you see the uniqueness, you see the strengths, you see the possibilities that could unfold for them. So for me, redefining success is a way that we can take accountability as adults, especially as adults who are in positions of power, to change how we define success so that every young person can feel successful in whatever they do. And they don't have to match our expectations or fit into our boxes just because we didn't have the imagination when we were growing up. So yes, redefine success so that every young person may thrive and become who they need to become rather than who we are forcing them to. Redefining. Very good.
Current exploration that we did with young people was to provide them a space to explore this whole idea of self and where does this definition of success for them emerge from. Is it something that they have been hearing from people around them, or is it coming from a space of self-belief, of trying to discover their own passions, interests, dreams, which is why we wanted to do this with them.
I feel education failed me. I feel it numbed a lot of my feelings. It did suppress. I feel there is a need for us to go beyond the narrative that works for all 30 young people in a classroom. I think it's time for us to redefine success so that we can embrace who we are.
Art has become like activism. It has become a way for people to express. In the very initial days, the young people never used to communicate with us as much. And also bringing very personal stories, it's like bringing a very vulnerable side of them and putting it out. It's not easy for them. So I think the fact that they have opened up, shared so many stories of their life and putting that out in the form of art, I think these people have like really outdone themselves.
Usually we don't give time for ourselves, but here like the 3 months we traveled, it was just more about ourselves. We had the time to think about ourselves, our goals.
Like education இல்லனாலும் சக்சஸ் இருக்கு, மணி இல்லனாலும் நம்ம சக்சஸ் பண்ணலாம் தோணும்.
Something satisfies us, that's the painting. Like that only something satisfies us, that's the success of the life.
I don't have any goals or aims, like, so where I'll get peace, where I get happiness, it's my success.
Success is just not stepping back.
ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮೂವಿನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಥಿಯೇಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದೇ ನನ್ನ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್.
என்னோட ட்ரீம் வீடு கட்டணும் சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு இது இருக்கு.
I have to achieve something, that's it. ನಮಗೆ everything is that. ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಿದ್ದೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ನಮಗೆ ಹೋಪ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ.
Being a good person is also a kind of success.
Helping others in not only just finance, in everything that I can do.
The idea is also for us to accept and validate the dreams, the aspirations, the definitions that young people come up with, just to listen to them and to tell them that it's okay to be whoever you want.